So today we're going to be making salted caramel.
Hello, today I want to show you how to prepare prawn tofu with hot kimchi. Hello, today I'm going to do a kimchi fried rice, my style. Okay, so we have here kimchi, chopped, enoki mushrooms, cooked rice, salt, sesame oil, chopped garlic, Korean hot pepper paste, chorizo.
Cheese oregano prata. Let's see how to make it. We'll take mayonnaise, add chili sauce, tomato sauce into the mayonnaise. Sprinkle some oregano, mix it up nicely. This is our spread or the dip. You can get roti paratha in any of the supermarkets. Just take one paratha, heat up a non-stick pan. No need to oil. Take a paratha, flip it over till nice and crispy and golden on both sides. Sprinkle with a lot of cheddar cheese. We're going to use some nice chicken sausages. So even these you can buy it at any of your shops. Take the sausages, slightly grill them in a pan. Spread the oregano mayonnaise that we created, the dip. Place the sausages on top of the paratha and roll it up. Wow, our cheese oregano paratha is ready to eat.
Place the green tea premix in a bowl. Add 130 grams of olive, canola or grapeseed oil. Add 40 grams of yogurt or 120 ml of milk. Add 120 grams of hot water. Add 2 eggs. Mix until it's well incorporated. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees. Bake this for 30 to 40 minutes. Now let's make the white chocolate ganache. Boil 40 grams of cream and add it to 100 grams of room temperature white chocolate. Mix it until it's well incorporated. Now let's make the green tea mousse. We whisk 320 grams of cream. Add the green tea powder little by little into the green tea mousse. Decorate the cake with douce crunchy pearls. Also pipe some of the mousse on top of the cake. Dust it with green tea powder. Add some candied orange or more of those crunchy pearls. Enjoy!
Hey everyone, I'm going to be doing a very simple egg dish today. It's called AJITSUKE TAMAGO, which is like a ramen style marinated egg. So from the base of the egg shell, there's always going to be an air pocket there, so you just peel from there. And the trick is to actually get in between the membrane and the egg and to actually peel it underwater and sliding the membrane off. And you can see voila, and you will have a very beautiful smooth egg.